Hello dear televiewers, time is 5 minutes after 3 p.m. and today is Sunday 15th May 2016 and I'm presenting this program live and directly from Imambo Deziem, that's in Yaoundé, the central province, the political capital of Cameroon. Yes, and we ain't got no studio as you can see right now. This place is the kitchen I'm using for the studio because we got no equipment. But what I got for you is more important than the decoration. And if you need some good decoration, you can also be part of this initiative. It is a campaign to sensitize people about drug existence in Cameroon first of all, talk about drug addictions and what we propose as solution to remedy this problem of drug addiction in youthful age and even to elderly people, because especially in our society today we know there are many people who've been on drugs for several years, way back in the 50s, in the 60s, the 70s, right up to the 2000s, where we are right now. And because we also do not have any program or any structure that takes care of drug addiction problems in Cameroon, but right now it's becoming a public health issue. That's why boy Dr. Ndukung aka Fine Cameroon Boy is bringing this program to you so we can freely talk about what drugs are all about. Okay, but before we go there, let me introduce to you the real machine, the real structure that engineered the whole of this stuff I'm talking about. It's an association that was created by me. The name of the association is Empower Cameroon. Empower Cameroon is here to promote the right to health of drug addicted people, to promote the right to health of drug addicted people. It could be you, it could be your brother, it could be your sister. There are many people who are on the drugs and they have nobody to hear them talk. Rather, they are being stigmatized and some of them are rejected by the family. When they really get addicted to the drugs, they really can't handle it. Why? Because there is no proper institution that can take care of such problems in Cameroon. And not to talk about big cities like Yaoundé or like Douala or like Bamenda, where young people are actively involved into the consumption of drugs. It could be heroin, it could be weed, it could be cocaine, and any other stuff. Man, it is very important. So Empower Cameroon is coming today with this kind of project, and we're having the vision of building a complex or an institution that can take care of 500 young people in a year. It would be a 1 year program that would take care of 250 young girls and 250 young guys who are willing to stop drugs or to reduce their drug consumption, because to really stop drugs is not easy at all. Comme on parlait tout à l'heure, mes frères et mes sœurs, et je vous appelle mes frères et mes sœurs, oui mes frères et mes sœurs, parce que le concept de ce programme est de réunir tous les Camerounais derrière une cause qui est très importante pour moi. Et si toi aussi c'est une cause qui te touche à cœur et tu voudrais t'investir dans cette cause, alors tu es la bienvenue. Prochainement, nous aurons chaque semaine un programme comme ça présenté par moi, Dr. Ndukong aka Fine Cameroon Boy No Peoples, sur cette chaîne FM 237 on air, qui est une chaîne qui parle du basket, du hip-hop, du reggae et aussi des drogues. Alors, nous abordons ce sujet aujourd'hui. Qu'est-ce que c'est que les drogues? Où est-ce qu'on en trouve? À Yaoundé par exemple, si vous êtes à Yaoundé ou à Douala ou à Bamenda ou dans n'importe quelle ville du Cameroun, vous pouvez participer en envoyant vos vidéos sur cette chaîne. Si vous êtes consommateur d'une drogue et que vous n'avez pas peur de faire votre témoignage, déjà comment vous avez commencé à consommer la drogue, qu'est-ce qui vous a poussé à consommer cette drogue, et quels sont les effets négatifs ça a eu sur vous, ou quels sont les effets positifs ça a eu sur vous. Si vous avez arrêté, comment vous avez fait pour arrêter. Rappelons-nous que ce concept est tout simplement pour aider ceux qui sont encore sous l'emprise de cette drogue. Alors vous pouvez partager votre expérience pour aider une jeune fille ou un jeune garçon à abandonner comme vous. Prochainement, nous aurons des témoignages dans des ghettos avec des jeunes personnes qui vont raconter leurs histoires, comment est-ce qu'ils ont commencé à consommer de la drogue, ou qu'est-ce qui les a poussés. Mais Avant ça, l'association Empower Cameroun, que je représente, le président et le fondateur, a mené quelques enquêtes sur le terrain dans les villes de Yaoundé, dans la ville de Douala et de Bamenda. Nous avons pu retrouver quelques jeunes qui ont accepté de partager avec moi leur expérience, leur histoire. Pourquoi est-ce qu'ils consomment de la drogue? Pour certains, comme un ami que j'ai ici à Yaoundé, il m'a dit ils sont 6 chez eux et tous les 6 enfants ne connaissent pas leur papa. Leur maman a eu 2 enfants avec le premier mec et a eu 4 enfants avec le deuxième mec. Et tous ces 6 enfants ne connaissent pas les parents. Ils ont grandi comme ça, par la grâce de Dieu. Lui, il a arrêté l'école au cours moyen 2 parce qu'il fallait laisser le petit frère continuer. Vous savez, tout ce truc. Et ce sont des problèmes réellement psychologiques qui se passent dans notre société. Mais personne ne prête l'oreille, personne ne prête attention à ce genre de fléau, à ce genre de problème, alors qu'un jeune qui n'est pas éduqué, un jeune qui n'est pas suivi, est un Cameroun qui perd aussi en ce qui concerne l'émergence de son économie et aussi en ressources humaines. So back to the topic, as I was saying, if you've been on drugs or you've abandoned it, this is an opportunity for you to talk about. That's why we're having this program on radio, on TV, because it was not accepted by many TVs or radio shows. So we got to do it on our way. If you were on drugs and you want to sensitize another young person about it, please just tell us how you did. Just add us on our WhatsApp group. First of all, the telephone number is 671. No, rather, that one was MTN is not going. Let me give you the correct number. Our director is trying to give me the right number. Okay, I got the right number right now. The right number is 691756527. 691756527. You can also share your testimonies with us as you help other people change their life and become a better person. We are working for Cameroon, and this program is going to make us live together and know each other's problem. But right now we got this drug problem and we want you to share your testimony with us, your story. How did you get into drugs? What happened? And how did you get out of it, if you were out of it? I think this is going to help many people. See you another time for next edition. Every time we'll have 8 to 10 minutes talk show on the same program. You can find us on YouTube, FM237 on air. If you add Empower Cameroon on YouTube, or if you add FM237 on air, you can also catch us on Facebook on my page. For now, it's Ndi Ndukong Titus. Ndi is NDI, Ndukong is NDUKONG, and Titus is TITUS. Before we round up today's program, let me give you some little infos on the internet. I'm going to start about Tatapong Beyala, who's working with February 16 Pictures, represented by my man Ndukong, who's the director of New Bell Music's artist videos. Talking about videos, we're talking about release. We just released a brand new video that many people were waiting from her, because we last had her EP and it was C'est la vie, oh, tu n'as pas le choix. That one was good, and I presented her on Dynamic FM. At that time I was working with Dave Christian, l'animateur 5 étoiles, and right now we're saying a very big happy birthday to Tatapong Beyala, who had I don't know how many years. If she could get this video and she can reply to it, and it will be cool, and we'll add it to you so everybody can get her video. Tell us about your age, Tatapong. Tell us about your age, because I know soon our life will cut down. If you visit Kumba, you just go and care. So, man, that was just a joke. We hope she's going to send a video. So, Tatapong Beyala was actually having 1 year of plus this week. And we also had a release of the brand new video of release produced by Le Monstre, directed by my man Ndukong La Sauce. You can find that on Newbear's website, also www.newbearmusic.com. We got another more info for you, and it's Cool Chop. Cool Chop is a brand new structure that exists online. If you go there, you can find all the meals you want in Cameroon. If you're a stranger in Cameroon, you want to eat some meal, Cameroon meal, log on to that, or you can follow them on Twitter. It's at Cool Chop. Cool Chop is COOLTCHOP. you have the cool chop. See you another time, same time, with the same boy, Dr. Nduko, aka Fan Camber Boy, not being posted your favorite station, FM 237 on air. Ciao.